Hello and welcome back to the £500 micro camper van conversion. So as I left you, I was cracking on with carpeting the sides. So that was of course during a weekend. It's now the middle of the next week. So I've just been able to crack on with and a couple of evenings just with a little bit of extra work. So the point that I'm at to now, just to recap, is the ceiling remains unchanged, but the whole of the passenger side is now completed and carpeted, ready for the trim to go back on this side. The driver's side equally the same, and I've loosely connected or just placed the panels to go back in. So that will be tidied up and retrospectively fitted. The floor liner was put in, the ply liner just sat on top. And then what I decided to do additionally, and I think I just did this yesterday, apologies for not filming this, was just to begin the process of the rear barn doors. So this is covered quite loosely, fitted around the edges for now, top to the bottom, obviously only carpeted for the recesses which sit inside of the rubber trim there, just to make sure that that remains watertight. So the only thing I have to carpet now is the opposite side, the barn door. So it is a smaller door, but there is a few locks and pieces to work around. So what I'll probably do in the next clip is start the process of stripping that back, removing the pieces that I'm going to carpet under, ready to be retrospectively fitted after. And then the carpet here, I think I've already got an offcut piece here, which will be fine when laid, dropped, that I'll begin to just secure that on with some contact adhesive. So stay tuned for that and we'll be right back. So rough ready carpeted, just needs to be trimmed around the edges now just to make that good. Refit the handle for the opening of this barn door, the clips at the top and the bottom that secure to the van when closing. Hopefully very short measure. So come back once that's done and I'll show you the end result in just a moment. Welcome back. So just to conclude this video, the carpet has now been lined on the rear barn doors with a little bit of tidying up yet to do. The carpet has all been trimmed around the edges, and I took off a lot of the excess glue because there was a bit of overspray in some areas, and the trim down the driver's side has been reapplied, thinking that the bed will just exist towards this side. There may be some form of unit here, so I didn't reapply that trim just there. Just thinking that I'd actually benefit from just having that little bit of extra space, because if a unit does go here, maybe like 20-30 centimeters deep, just have a landing shelf there with some power controls on the end which is nearest the side entrance. I'm thinking as well that the leisure battery will exist somewhere under the bed towards that end for now, with the diesel heater under the passenger seat there. So the other barn door done. Just thinking about getting some kind of trim to tidy up this edging around here. Just take it to the other side. So all in all, it's coming along quite nicely. So what I've additionally done as well is I've put some wooden beams, just as not so much bracing, but something to fix the plywood roof back to. Because what I plan on doing, and I've already had arrived from Kira Vans, 4 of these puck lights. So I'm thinking I'm going to have maybe 1 and 2 there, and the same on the rear end as well. So these won't look too bad, and they'll all be controlled via a switch. They're touch controllable as well, so you can manipulate lights by your touch there as well. So all the trim, of course, went back in quite easily. Got a few gaps that I might infill here with some ply, and the same exists over the opposite side. So all in all, quite happy with the progress. Now the next episode, and I recommend you do subscribe to make sure you don't miss that one, I'm going to begin to do the roof, because I'm pretty much ready to put the lights into the plywood roof, possibly going to carpet that as well, and then reapply that back to the ceiling. And then really it's just a matter of putting some flooring down, and then I can start preparing and planning for the furniture that will go in there as well. So all in all, quite happy with the progress to date. I'd appreciate some feedback. Let me know in the comments any thoughts you might have, things you may have done differently. And I look forward to speaking to you on the next episode. Bye bye.